Good morning. In the last hour, a federal judge has now cleared the way for key evidence to now be released to the public in the case of Marimar Martinez, including body camera recordings, text messages, and surveillance images after that judge ruled that she showed good cause to modify a protective order. Now, this decision comes even as an appeal is pending, and it could offer new insight into that October shooting in Brighton Park by a Border Patrol agent. The judge said the court can still act despite a pending appeal and emphasized Martinez is presumed innocent after charges against her were dismissed with prejudice. The ruling allows the release of about 40 text messages sent by the agent with names of family members and other third parties redacted. The judge also approved the release of surveillance images showing Martinez's vehicle in the weeks leading up to the shooting, saying they could help the public draw its own conclusions. License plate reader data involving other vehicles was blocked, citing privacy concerns.
The government can't have it both ways. You can't call a U.S. citizen with no criminal history who's a Montessori school teacher a domestic terrorist, which is such a loaded word in this country, and repeat it over and over.
Parenti says the defense plans to release the text messages along with FBI interview reports, diagrams, and other discovery material once a modified protective order is finalized. He also claims that the agent was not wearing a body camera at the time of the shooting, despite one being issued. So that is why once some of that body camera footage is released, there may not be much to it, and they are relying on other items. Now, attorneys say they could begin releasing some of this evidence as early as next week. The government has yet to respond to these latest claims. However, both sides told the court that they are optimistic remaining details can be resolved quickly. Reporting at the Dirksen Federal Courthouse this morning, I'm Darius Johnson, CBS News, Chicago.